Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you on how to resolve the something went wrong issue on TikTok. First, open your device settings and check your internet connection to ensure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is properly connected to the internet. Once confirmed, open the TikTok app and click on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the top 3 horizontal lines. Then, go to the settings and privacy. Scroll down to find the free up space option. Click on it and then select clear cache. After doing this, close the TikTok app. Again open the TikTok app. Hope so your TikTok is working properly now. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.